Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Sustainable Stace. Honey, just pulled about 20 pounds out of this hive, and it's mid-October. We go between frosty nights and sunny days. Just gonna show you what I'm gonna do in the hive with the honey I've pulled out and the frames that need to be cleaned up. Stay tuned.
I'm Stacy Taves. For me, healthy food and sustainability are totally connected. You can grow it yourself. Nature is generous.
Look at how busy it is here. The bees are coming and going. It's a busy day in the hive. So I'm just gonna get in the hive here. This is the honey that we'd pulled out earlier today. We got about 20 jars like that. And what I've got here that I want to work with is a box with frames that the honey's been extracted from. So you can see the honey's been pulled out of these, and the bees are gonna get really excited about that. So I'm just gonna go in and get at her. Taking off the top, there's an attic box or a quilt here. If you don't know about attic boxes or quilts with the sawdust inside, take a look at my video. It'll explain how to build one. It's super simple. In between this box and the one two down is a whole bunch of winter feed. So I'm gonna pull that winter feed out now. This has been holding sugar water. I've got 3 of them. They hold about 3 liters each, or 2/3 of a gallon. I'm gonna pull those out because there's no sugar water left in them, and I'm gonna replace them with something much more glorious. But before we do that, I gotta let you see what's inside because it's off the chain. Take a look at what's inside here, guys. I want you to see this. Look at the number of bees. Do you see this? There's just a little pollen patty here. I just wanted you to see that before I put this back on. And inside here, I'm gonna hang the frames that I've extracted the honey from. So here they are. So I'm just going to take these frames and put them back inside this box, and I'll give them about 2 weeks. There'll be some warm days when they'll get busy in here, and they should suck these all clean with their little tongues, lick them up, and pull them into the other hives for winter stores. Now they're all lined up nice, out of the way. And we'll just close it up. Don't be afraid to try out beekeeping, guys. It's worth it. It's super fun. And the rewards of learning about nature and the dynamic balance of ecosystem is off the chain. You've seen what to do. It's a beautiful thing. Have a great day. Don't be afraid to try something new. Buy a suit, get some frames, learn about honeybees and pollination and the power of a diverse ecosystem. If you've never gotten into a hive, find a friend who has one. Try out and learn. Maybe it's a great Christmas gift to get the tools and the pieces you need. Learn more about honey bee keeping on my channel. Subscribe. Check down there in your bottom left. And enjoy being hopeful, helpful, and healthy. Sustainable Stace signing off.